Hi, my name is Taru Carter, and this is the UFO project for our CS-177 class. So here in the hierarchy, here into the middle, we have the background, which is this border stage that we have here on the screen. We have our player, which is our UFO here in the middle, and our pickups, which are these gold meteorites around the stage. I'm going to move on over here to our scripts. So here in the scripts, we have a rotator script, a camera controller script, and player controller script. The rotator script was given to the meteorites, which were the objects on the stage. And here we're going to give them a rotational spin. So here under the void update section, we have the rotator, called it a new vector 3, which gives it an X, Y, and Z rotation. On the z-axis, I put this to 125, which gives it a decent amount of spin. We've multiplied it by time dot delta time, which gives you a more formal spin no matter the frame rate of your computer. Over here on the camera controller, this right here is going to give you the view of what you're looking at while you're playing the game. So we have the position of the camera subtracted from the position of the player, which we're going to put into this offset. Down here under the void update, we're basically going to have the position of the player plus the offset that we assigned here, which is going to give us that top-down view to move across the screen as the player, which is our UFO, moves across the screen. Here, under the player controllers, we have a couple of things going on. Under this private void fixed update section, this is going to give us access to be able to use our up, down, left, right arrow keys under these input.get access for the horizontal as well as for the vertical. Now, this RB2D dot add force gives the buttons, anytime you select the up, down, left arrow, it's going to multiply that by a speed, which we can set, which gives it force, which moves the object across the screen. Under this private void on trigger enter 2D, this right here gives the ability to, when the player comes into contact with the pickups, it will give it a sense of collecting the item, which will set it to active as false. So anytime the player comes to contact with the pickup will disappear from the screen. It will have a count, which we selected on the screen. It's going to increment the count by 1, ultimately picking up each item as you go across the screen. Under this set count text, function down here. So once all of the items have been collected, which we've set under this number of items, which up here we set to 14. Once all the items have been collected, you will see a you win across the screen. Let's go ahead and play the game. And here we go. As we go across the screen and we're collecting all the items, we're going to see that the count gets incremented in the top left corner as we collect. Once all of them have been collected, we shall see the message in the middle of the screen saying that you have now won the game. Thank you very much.